What can we do with leftover rice? There's so many yummy and delicious recipes we can do. So today I'm going to share with you one of my unique recipe. So friends, welcome to Ratna's Kitchen. Thank you for joining me today. I am going to show a very unique, interesting, very quick to make tomato bath with leftover rice and with leftover tomato pasta sauce. So let me show you the process. So let me show you quickly how the ingredients I'm going to use for the bath today. So here we have roughly chopped red onion, green chilies. You can add green chilies up to your taste, and some fresh cut coriander leaves there, and of course one bowl of cooked rice there. It's really nice if you have a leftover one, or you can just cook one bowl of rice, say 1 cup of rice, and I'm using masala. This masala is a biryani masala. You just use packet biryani masala because this is a very quick and easy recipe. And I have here star anise, green cardamom and peppercorns. And here it is. What we have is called Shah jeera. It's a jeera family, but it's very thin and dark in color. This is going to give a beautiful aroma and a flavor to the dish. And of course Bayleaf. And here I have some leftover pasta sauce, which I'm going to use. Any pasta sauce you can add. If you don't have a pasta sauce, what you can do is make a tomato puree and you can add that. And here I have taken 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. So let's start the process. So I'm going to turn the stove on. I'm using a white pan again. So have the stove on, and I'm using olive oil today. You can use any oil if you like. Olive oil is going to taste much better for this tomato bath. So just add a couple of teaspoons, and we'll wait until it heats up a little bit. So the oil is hot, so I'm adding 2 bay leaves, adding 1 star anise, 3 cardamoms, 4 cloves, and I'm adding Shah jeera. Again, it's a family of cumin, but it's different. It's called Shah jeera. You can buy it in any Indian shop. Just adding that. Let's just stir them up a little bit. Just stirring them up to release the flavor. I'm going to add the cut green chilies. If you don't want it spicy, you can avoid adding the chilies. Then adding the roughly chopped onion. Let's try that. Don't need to fry too long, just to take out the rawness. Okay, to this I'm adding the biryani masala. Any biryani masala you can use. I forgot to mention one more ingredient, which is garlic ginger paste. I'm just using 1 spoon of garlic ginger. Saute it. So here I have pasta sauce. Again, as I said, any pasta sauce, anything left over you can use. just 2 to 3 spoons. So we have 1 cup of cooked rice, so I'm using 3 spoons of 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce, pasta sauce, and to that I'm adding tomato paste, 1 tablespoon. As I said earlier, if you don't have pasta sauce, you can grind the tomatoes, make them puree, but you need to cook it at least for 10 minutes because pasta sauce is already cooked. So we are not going to cook too long. We are just going to saute it, and I'm going to add coriander, fresh coriander to this. You can add coriander as much as you can. That's going to bring lots of flavor to this dish. Go ahead and let's add some salt for taste. 1 teaspoon of salt. Try it. You can see already the oil has seeped up, so you don't need much cooking because it's already a cooked sauce we get in the bottle. So I'm going to add the rice now. Make sure you mix it all nicely. It's almost done. You can see it's hardly took 5 minutes. Once you have cooked rice and pasta sauce, it's just hardly takes 5 minutes, and the taste is going to be so amazing. You will just fall in love with this tomato bath. Just keep stirring it up for 5 minutes. You don't need too long. It's all done. So I'm going to plate this dish up now. So here it is. Yummy, delicious, very quick and easy to make tomato bath ready for you all. It took less than 10 minutes, as you can see. I hope you all liked today's recipe of tomato bath. If you liked, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. If you are watching my channel first time, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so you will get the notifications whenever I upload new recipes. So once again, thank you so much. I'll be coming back with many more exciting recipes. Until then, goodbye.